Hi, everybody. Storm Track 8 meteorologist Marcus Bailey here on a Thursday evening, kind of late in the evening. We wanted to give you an update and a forecast for looking ahead to the holiday weekend. I know it's very busy at the track, and many of you having either loved ones coming into town or you're heading out of town for the Memorial Day weekend holiday. So let's kind of dive in and talk about where we stand for the rest of this evening. Don't want to call it completely dry. Look around 9:30 here on this Thursday evening at radar, and it's pretty quiet across central Indiana. You do have a few pockets of showers right along the Ohio River. I think a lot of our action is going to hang there. Very, very active out to our west. A lot of that's going to fall apart. We've had numerous tornado warnings around the Kansas City area and points west. But that whole batch is going to try to progress eastward. I think it falls apart as we get deeper and deeper into the evening, but could help squeeze a few showers out across the area. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the short term here overnight and tomorrow, and then we'll kind of dive into the weekend forecast because we do have numerous rain chances, but I don't think it's going to be a washout. We had some pretty heavy rain earlier Thursday afternoon, but it was quickly out of here, so we did get some dry time. I don't even think we'll see as widespread of rain over the next few days as we had today. So there's some good news. So let's check out the models here. First up, this is the high resolution 4-kilometer NAM, North American model. And we're going to kick things off here. I'm going to take you into the overnight. That is at 2 a.m. and does signal maybe a few spotty showers and storms here and there. Don't get too caught up when I'm showing some of these here on exact locations. These are going to be just kind of here and there and everywhere as we head through the overnight hours. But again, few and far between. That's at 11 a.m. Tomorrow. So if you are heading out to Carb Day at the track, grab the umbrella. Be prepared that you could run into a shower or thunderstorm. And here's the thing, you feel the humidity. If we get any storms developing, they're going to dump a potential heavy amount of rain. So that could delay things for a while, but I don't think these are going to last very long. These are going to be hit and miss, very much pop-up showers and storms. This is by the 5 p.m. hour on Friday. Again, showing some of these isolated thunderstorms here and there across the area. Let's go ahead and skip ahead to Saturday. Early morning, and that's around 8 o'clock. Again, maybe some light rain around the area. A lot of dry time. I think that's going to be kind of the case as we head into the afternoon. We may see some spotty showers and thunderstorms. So if you have some outdoor plans for Saturday, going to be a good day that you want to just kind of keep a careful eye on radar. And then let's go ahead and skip all the way ahead to early Sunday morning. That's at 2 a.m. That's as far as this model will go. And that is showing dry conditions. This is a more broad perspective here for the weekend, so we're not going to be pinpointing as much. The thing to take home here is we don't have a general forcing mechanism, a cold front or a low that's going to be spinning nearby to kind of help fire these storms up. This is going to be a summer-like pattern. These are likely going to fire up due to daytime heating. So I'm going to take you through that Saturday. That's not a real wet look. And these are models that we look at when we get to forecasting. So I know it doesn't look quite as nice as what we show on TV. As we head into Sunday morning, you see some of that darker gray there. That's indicating that there could be a chance for rain there in the morning. That would be into the afternoon, and that would be getting pretty close to the end of the race. Does show rain, but again, that's not slam dunk that there's going to be heavy rain there, or consistent widespread rain. But certainly can't rule it out if you are going to be heading out to the track. Some encouraging news here. This is an ensemble, so it's multiple models all together and averages out. This is a 24-hour precipitation of greater than 1/10 of an inch. And I set this to go all the way through early Monday morning, so it goes 24 hours back. Now, it does have much of Indiana. You see in kind of that yellowish there. That's about a 40% chance. So from Sunday morning to Monday morning, that's showing that there's about a 40% chance for rain. That means there's, or at least 1/10 of an inch of rain. That means there's a 60% chance that we may not see anything. And even better when I show up to 1/4 of an inch of rain, It's got it at 0 to maybe 10%. So, again, it's not a complete in the clear, but I think there is some good signals here that we should have some windows to get this race in on Sunday. Think if you're not going to the race and you have outdoor plans for the holiday weekend, I think that, again, there could be some wet hours, but I think we should be in relatively good shape for the most part. So there should be a lot of dry hours. There's a look at the numbers and just take a look at really early on. 85 or 87 for Friday, 84 Saturday, 85 Sunday, 86 on Memorial Day, and the humidity is up. So it's going to be feeling pretty juicy. Just keep that in mind if you're going to be outdoors for an extended period of time. Lots of fluids. It's going to feel probably more like, especially if you're getting some sunshine, a lot of sunshine, it's going to be feeling more like 90 degrees at times when we get into the peak heating of the day into the afternoon. So that's an update for you. We'll take a look at everything else and give you another update for your Friday. And then, of course, we'll be in this weekend as well, keeping you up to date. You can always keep up to date at wishtv.com as well. Ebony Dion will have an update at 10 and 11 this evening on Wish TV. Ken Brewer, Randy Allis will have an update starting at 4 a.m. on Wish TV, and we'll continue to just kind of keep you posted on what we're looking at as we start rolling over, as we get a little bit closer here to this holiday weekend and the big race on Sunday. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great Thursday evening, and if you're off work for your Friday, having a 4-day weekend, make a good one, and have a great weekend.